Did you know that something as healthy as an egg can actually become dangerous for your health? Especially if you're over 60. Most seniors make these common mistakes with eggs, and they could be silently harming your heart, blood sugar, and even your brain. Stay with me, because you might be shocked at mistake number 5. Part 1. Why eggs are good. Brief positive framing. Eggs are often called a superfood, packed with protein, vitamins, and nutrients that seniors really need. But here's the problem. One simple mistake in how you cook, store, or eat them, and all those benefits can turn into risks. Part 2. The mistakes. Mistake. Number 1. Overcooking eggs. Burning or overfrying eggs creates harmful compounds that increase inflammation and oxidative stress. Bad news for aging cells and heart health. Mistake number 2. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. Raw eggs may carry salmonella, which can be extremely dangerous for seniors with weaker immune systems. Mistake number 3. Using too much oil, butter, or bacon grease. The egg itself isn't the problem, it's what you cook it in. Heavy oils and fats raise cholesterol and blood pressure. Mistake number 4. Storing eggs improperly. Leaving eggs unrefrigerated or past their expiry date increases the risk of foodborne illness, something seniors are more vulnerable to. Mistake number 5. Eating eggs with processed meats. Eggs plus bacon or sausage is a breakfast classic, but processed meats are high in sodium and nitrates, which can raise your risk of heart disease and stroke. Mistake number 6. Ignoring medical conditions. If you have diabetes or heart disease, eating too many egg yolks may worsen cholesterol levels. Always follow your doctor's advice. Mistake number 7. Adding too much salt. Many seniors already struggle with high blood pressure. Loading your eggs with salt makes things worse. Part 3. Safe and healthy egg tips. The good news. Eggs can still be one of the healthiest foods in your diet if you avoid these mistakes. Stick to boiling, poaching, or lightly scrambling with a small amount of healthy oil like olive oil. Pair eggs with vegetables, not processed meats, and always store them safely. So, are you making any of these mistakes with your eggs? Remember, small changes can protect your heart, boost your energy, and keep your golden years truly healthy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more senior health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong. Your best years are ahead.